Rules for happiness: something to do, someone to love, something to hope for. We are not rich by what we possess, but by what we can do without. You only know me as you see me, not as I actually am. 3 things tell a man: his eyes, his friends, and his favorite quotes. Science is organized knowledge. Wisdom is organized life. We can judge the heart of a man by his treatment of animals. Rules for happiness: something to do, someone to love, something to hope for. Patience is the strength of the weak, impatience is the weakness of the strong. But a lie is a lie, and in itself intrinsically evil, whether it be told with good or bad intents. Always recognize that human individuals are ends, and do not use them as means to your end. Give a man everything he wants, and at that moment everything is not everything. Heaven has given human beings 3 things to balance the odds of life: hope, sleep, and laughter. 2 things fill the mind with ever new and increasing admiration and awe: the oftener and more steadily we reflect on them, the starry heavens above me and the moral law within me. There are 2 things that don't have to mean anything: one is music and the other is laughter. Genius is the ability to independently arrive at and understand concepts that would normally have to be taught by another person. Feminine traits are called weaknesses. People joke about them, fools ridicule them, but reasonable persons see very well that those traits are just the tools for the management of men, and for the use of men for female designs. He who is cruel to animals becomes hard also in his dealings with men. We can judge the heart of a man by his treatment of animals. If man makes himself a worm, he must not complain when he is trodden on. In law, a man is guilty when he violates the rights of others. In ethics, he is guilty if he only thinks of doing so. Only the descent into the hell of self-knowledge can pave the way to godliness. The question is not so much whether there is life on Mars as whether it will continue to be possible to live on Earth. Space and time are the framework within which the mind is constrained to construct its experience of reality. The greatest human quest is to know what one must do in order to become a human being. The 2 great dividers are religion and language. The wise man can change his mind, the stubborn one, never. Always treat people as ends in themselves, never as means to an end.
Please like, subscribe, and share my YouTube channel. Thanks.